How to fix black screen on your Instagram app. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings page on your phone and then go down to the apps manager and then go to the apps again. And now on this page you will find a lot of apps. I mean the apps that you have downloaded on your phone, you will find them all here. So all what you have to do is scroll until you find Instagram like this and then click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on this data usage option and scroll down. Now all what you have to do is disable all those options and enable them again like this. After that, go to the top here and click on this force stop option. Now all what you have to do is very simple. Go down here, you will find this app details option, click on it and it will give you the option to update your Instagram app if you don't have the last version. After that, click on update and congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.